Scribbr is a popular choice when it comes to generative AI software. But before you make your decision, here are 12 things you need to know. We'll compare it to competitors, so you can decide if it's the right fit for your needs. First off, Scribbr is widely known for its plagiarism checker, making it a solid choice for students and professionals alike. While it does have AI-powered writing tools, it's primarily geared towards academic use. But if you're looking for a tool with a broader scope, some competitors like Grammarly or Jasper may be better suited for general writing needs. The second thing to consider is the pricing. Scribbr offers a subscription model, but it's on the pricier side compared to others. For example, Grammarly's premium version provides similar functionality at a lower cost. If you're budget conscious, this might be a point to think about. Next thing, ease of use. Scribbr's interface is intuitive and it's easy to get started with. However, compared to other tools like Jasper, you may find the user experience a bit more academic focused, which might not appeal to everyone. If you're after a more streamlined experience, competitors might provide a more fluid setup. The fourth thing to consider is Scribbr's AI-powered writing tool. While it can assist in generating content, it's not as advanced as some competitors like ChatGPT. Scribbr's AI is more designed to refine and polish existing writing, whereas other tools might allow for more creativity and original generation. The fifth thing, integrations. Scribbr doesn't offer as many integrations with third-party software as some other platforms. For instance, Grammarly integrates seamlessly with Google Docs and Microsoft Word, which makes it a go-to for many users. So if you rely heavily on integrations, Scribbr might feel a bit limiting. Next up is Scribbr's customer support. While it offers assistance through email, response times can be slow, especially during peak periods. Other platforms like Jasper offer live chat support, making it easier to get help when needed. The seventh thing is Scribbr's citation tool. It's particularly helpful for academic writing, allowing you to generate citations quickly. However, if you don't need this feature and are more focused on content creation, competitors like Grammarly and Jasper don't necessarily focus on this. The eighth thing to know is the accuracy. Scribbr's plagiarism detection tool is one of the best in the market, but it's important to note that it can sometimes flag common phrases or well-known expressions, which might be a bit overzealous compared to other software options. The ninth point is Scribbr's writing suggestions. It offers some basic tips for improving your grammar and style. However, it doesn't go as in-depth as other tools like ProWriting Aid, which provides more comprehensive feedback for long-form content. The 10th thing to consider is the customization. Scribbr allows for basic customization of feedback preferences, but it's not as flexible as tools like Jasper or WriteSonic. If you're looking for more personalized options, you might find these competitors offer more. The 11th point is speed. Scribbr can sometimes be slower when scanning large documents for plagiarism or generating suggestions. For faster results, tools like Grammarly or Hemingway might be better suited, especially if time is a key factor for you. Finally, the last thing you need to know is Scribbr's value. While it's a great option for academic writing, it's not necessarily the best choice for businesses or content creators who need a versatile tool. If you fall into that category, you might want to explore our recommended solution, which you can try for free. It's tailored for businesses and offers a more comprehensive approach, covering everything from review management to invoicing. In conclusion, Scribbr is a solid option for academic purposes, but if you're looking for a more versatile, cost-effective solution, be sure to check out our top recommendation for a free trial today.